Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you a website. It's known as PILOTdm.com. So you would have heard of a website like MiniChat, where in Instagram, people are asked to comment something if they want to get the link to particular. So you see this here, they're asking comment art to know the price in DM, to get the link comment baby, comment art to know my strategy. So all these things use automation service. People are not manually going and replying to them. They are using automation tools like MiniChat. And there are many other tools also. But the problem is that all these services used to charge a premium. So those were paid softwares. So that is where this particular tool comes in. It's known as PILOTdm. So they have a freemium model. So they charge nothing from normal users. So this is the freemium. They have unlimited automation, unlimited DMs, insights, follow before DMs. Then all these things are there. So they charge from enterprise customers and make it available for free. So why is PILOTdm free? So we believe creators should spend their money on stories, not subscription. That's why we only charge enterprise users, which helps us pay their bills. So you get the tools for free. So this is not a paid promotion. So I found it useful and it is quite different from the existing tools in the market. So they are giving a service for free. So I thought it will benefit you. So you can try it out. So you can just come here and sign in. You can sign in with your Google account. Then after that, it will ask you to connect your Instagram account. So once it is connected with your Instagram account, so here it says it is Meta Tech provided. So here you can set up various automations. Like when you make a post, you want it to DM a person who comments with a specific term. So it will automatically go and DM. So it drives engagement, it saves your time. So it starts replying in real time. So it can auto DM links from comments when someone comments on a post or reel and send them a link. It can auto respond to your story replies, automatically respond to users who reply to your stories. So if you run a business, say for example a travel business, and if somebody asks for something related to the travel reel, then it can automatically reply to it. It can auto respond to your DMs, send a personalized responses automatically when someone DMs you. It can be AI based automations, so AI based automation to increase conversions and engagement. So it can collect emails, phone numbers and username of your potential leads. It can provide you with insights. It can see exactly what's working for you at a glance. So that is why many people are moved to this particular platform, PILOTdm, and they are using it. So these are some of the reviews by some of them. So I was quite surprised to see how they are able to provide this kind of automation for free. You can go ahead and check it out. So I hope this is useful. Thank you very much and subscribe for more such interesting videos.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the show.